If adding water is the only way you cook your chicken, then you are very wrong. Here we cook with love and glow with grace. We'll start by adding the chicken to the pot. Your washed chicken, please don't forget to wash your chicken. I added enough onion, your seasoning. You can decide to add chicken seasoning, but there is no need because you're boiling chicken, and this chicken is a fresh chicken. I added salt, I added curry powder. So this is combination of thyme, rosemary, and Italian seasoning. And I gave that a very good mix, and after that I covered to cook for about 15 minutes. In between the 15 minutes, I open and give it a good mix again. Let's say I give it a good mix twice in between the 15 minutes. So it's just like you're turning the up to down, then the down to up for you to cook properly. Please do not add water to your chicken. Cooking your chicken without adding water gives it a concentrated, richer flavor. Allowing your chicken cook in its own juice is the best. And guess what? Raw meat is made up of about 60 to 75 water. So when you cook on low heat, the juice coming out from your protein will fully cook your protein to your satisfaction. I let that cook for 15 minutes, and here it is ready. The chicken is ready. You can go ahead and air fry it or deep fry, any one of your choice. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time.